Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today onwards, we will learn about Python programming language. So Python is very important because it is used in the artificial intelligence, AI. So it is the future. So it is very important that everyone need to learn Python to survive in the IT industry. So that's why I'm doing classes on Python programming language. So let us get into the class. So what is the introduction? Welcome to the world of Python programming. So why Python? So join us as we explore Python, the language that powers tech giants and startup alike. Discover its role in web development. So Python is used in web development, data science, machine learning, and beyond. Find out why Python is the top choice for professionals and hobbyists. So why we have to learn Python? Because it is used in web development, data science, machine learning, and beyond. And second one is setting up your Python environment. Let's set the stage for your coding journey. We will walk through installing Python, choosing the perfect IDE, following along as we prepare your toolbox for the adventure ahead in coding. So to do coding, so we want IDE. So we want IDE. So for setting up that installing a Python software and setting up IDE, we will see in the next video. So next one is Python basics. So after setting up the Python and IDE, what are the things we have to learn? We will learn Python basics, the building blocks, understanding Python syntax, learn about variables, data types. We'll play with strings, crunch numbers, and making decisions with operators. It's time to speak Python language. Control structures. Directing the flow, learn to master control with if, else. We will look through problems with while and for. Learning when to break, continue, or pass, control as power, and during command. Data structures. Organizing information, dive into lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries. We will slice, dice, and sort information and making data dance at your fingertips. It's not just about storing data, it's about welding it. So we will learn data structures, how we can dice, sort informations, list, tuples, dictionaries, and all those things, and data structures. Functions. Your personal coding assistants unlock the power of functions to avoid repetition and boost efficiency. So when we use functions, if you have a lot of code, the repetitive code, if you write repetitive code same time, so then we have to create a function. So that function we will use and it will call that action, like the action that function have to. I hope you understand what is functions. If you don't understand, don't worry, I will explain in the upcoming classes. Pass arguments to this mini program with your programs. Functions are your friends. Let's get to know them. And we are having file input output interact with the outside world. Step into the realm of file input output, and we will read stories from files. Then own tables, own tails. Sorry, when your code reaches out to the world, the possibilities are endless. So we are in the Python. We are having files. So how can we access files? How can we write in the files? How can we put private in the files? So all those things we can learn in the files concept in Python. And error handling, expecting the unexpected praise for impact as we tackle error handling. So we have to, while designing any software, we have to do error handling in some cases. So how to do that error handling, we will see in the upcoming classes. Classes and objects. Blueprinting your ideas. Enter the world of object-oriented programming. We will craft classes, bring object to life. Your ideas will take shape in code, and Python will be your canvas. So enter the world of object-oriented programming. We craft classes. So we are in Python. We'll be having object-oriented language. So it's an object-oriented language. It's having classes and objects. So we will learn how to write class, how to write objects in Python in the upcoming classes. Conclusion: becoming a Python pro. We will wrap up with best practices to keep your code clean and efficient. Plus, we will share resources to continue your learning journey. The road doesn't end here. It's just beginning. It's just a beginning. So this is the conclusion. So I hope you have idea about basic Python programming language. So what are the things which are there in Python? We'll be having uh, basics, control structures, data structures, functions, files, error handling, class and objects. So all these things will be included in the Python programming language. So all these things we will see in the upcoming classes. So the upcoming classes is quite interesting. So in the next class, we will install the software and we will set up the ID. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.